Let us discuss the topic is cubes and cube roots. In that, first we can find out the number of the cubes. If cube is nothing but we can take length, breadth and height. In that it is in three dimensional we are using and find out the in between area from the cube only. For one cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27, 4 cube equal to 64, 5 cube equal to 125, 6 cube is 198, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is equal to 729, 10 cube is 1000. Cube is nothing but we can write the number in 3 times and multiply it, write the number. 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube 2197, 14 cube 2744, 15 cube 3375, 16 cube 4096, 17 cube 4913, 18 cube 5832, 19 cube 6859, 20 cube 8000. Here, what is the difference of the square roots and cube roots means we know that in the square roots, for one square root is 1, for the square roots or squares, for one square is 1 in the units place. Units place values we observe. For 2 and 8, 4 will come in the units place. For 3 and 7, 9 will come. For 4 and 6, 6 will come. For 5, 5 is come in the units place. For 0 means 0 only. Double of the zeros. Getting the perfect squares. Okay. Here the numbers are only 5. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Double 0. These are in the units place. We can say that the number having the perfect square. In the same thing here we can observe 1 to 20 numbers. For 1 cube the ones digit only 1. 1 cube for ones digit only 1 in the cube root cubes. For 2 is 8 will come. For 6 also 8 is come in the units place. For 2 and 6, for 2 and 6, in the cubes, 1 cube means the ones digit is 1 only. For 2 and 6, the ones digit 8 will come. For 3, 7 will come. For 7, 3 will come. For 4, 4 only. For 5, 5 only. Six already over. For 7, we get the cube in the units place 3. For 8, 2 will come. For 9, 9 only. For 0 odd numbers, odd zeros. Okay. Here for 1, 1, 4, 5, 4, 5, 9 is 9 only. 2, 6 getting 8 in the units place. For 3, 7 will come, 7. For 3 will come. For 8, 2 will come. Okay. Here now we are discussing some problems. That is first one, try this. Okay. In that the first one, find out ones digit of the cube of each of the following. The first problem is 3331. Second problem 8888. Third one 149. Fourth one 1005. Fifth one 1024, sixth one 77, seventh one 5022, eighth one, ninth one, sixth, seventh, eighth, 53. Okay, here we know that in the units place 4 is there, then the cube of that units place is also cube of ones digit of cube. Ones place of cube is here 4 will come. For 7, 3 will come. For 2, 8 will come. For 3, 7 will come. For 1, 1 will come. For 8, 2 will come. For 9, 9 will come. For 5, 5 will come. Why? Because here already we discussed. For 4, 5, 9, the same numbers will come. For 3, 7 come. 7, 3 will come. For 2 and 6, 8 come. For 8, 2 will come. The same thing. For 8, 2 is coming. 9, 5, 4. The same numbers will come. For 3, 7, 7, 3. For 2 and 6, 8 will come. For 1 is 1 only. It's the without calculating the cube, we can easy to find out what is in the ones place of the cube of the number. Okay. Some interesting patterns. Here we are discussing about the cubes of the interesting patterns. Here for 1 equal to 1 cube only. For 1 equal to 1 cube, that is equal to 1. For 1, we are getting 1, it is equal to 1 cube. Next, 1 after what consecutive number of the odd number? 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, it is equal to 2 cube. 5 after what is the consecutive number? 7, odd number. 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 2 cube. 3 cube how much? 27. 27 equal to 3 cube. 11 after 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. It is equal to 64. 64 equal to 4 cube. 19 after 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29. It is equal to 125 equal to 5 cube. Okay. Next, 29 after 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus 41. It's equal to 80. The 125 is the 5 cube. What is the 6 cube? 216 is the 6 cube. Just we can add it. It's 39 plus 31, it's 70. And this is equal to 80. It is equal to 80. 80, 160 plus 66. 216. It's 70. This is 70. It is 80. 150 plus 66. 216. Next 41 is over here. Next will come 43 plus 45 plus 47 plus 49 plus 51 plus 53 plus 55. It is equal to 343. It is equal to 7 cube. Next 55 is over. 57 plus 59 plus 61 plus 63 plus 65 plus 67 plus 69 plus 71. It is equal to 8 cube. That is equal to 512 equal to 8 cube. Adding of all these. Okay. In the similar way, we can continue up to 10 cube also. Okay. That is 10 cube equal to, or first write the 9 cube. That is 70, 73 plus 75 plus 77 plus 79 plus 81 plus 83 plus 85 plus 80 7 plus 89. It is equal to 729 is equal to 9 cube. In that way, here 91 plus 93 plus 95 plus 97 plus 99 plus 101 plus 103 plus 105 plus 107 plus 109. First and last, it's 200. Second of 200. Third of 200. Fourth of 200. Fifth of 200. 5 into 200 is 1000. It is equal to 10 cube. In that pattern, it is some interesting pattern. So what are the numbers are there? We can do it. Up to 2 cube means 3 numbers are over. 3 cube means 6 numbers are over, like that. Okay. Next, consider the following patterns. Here, 2 cube minus 1 cube, how much? Just we can see here. 2 cube minus 1 cube equal to 7. Okay. That is 2 into, that is nothing but this 7 can be written as 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. Next, 3 cube minus 2 cube. It is equal to 19. So minus 9 means 19. 19 means 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19. In the same way, 4 cube minus 3 cube. It is equal to, it's 37. That is equal to 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3. Okay. In that way. Here, in the same way, 7 cube minus 6 cube. What is we are getting? 7 cube minus 6 cube means it's 16 will come. 260 means so 7 3 1 137. That is equal to 1 plus 136. 136 can be write it as 2 6 12 2 8 2 3 2 4 2 17. Okay. 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2 into 17. In that way we can find it. Okay. Here 37 means 36, 36 means 3 1s are 2s are 3 4s are, like that. Prime factorization we can find it. In the same way we can find out 12 cube minus 11 cube equal to how much? 20 cube minus 19 cube equal to how much? From that we can write it as each and everything is in the 1 plus only. Why? Because we are getting the odd numbers. Okay. How to find out the perfect cubes? Which of the following are perfect cubes? Or perfect cubes? Here, by observing the first problem, that is 400, it is not a perfect cube. Why? Because here zeros are not in. Here zeros are not in, not grouped in triplet. So it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect cube. The second one, we can't say by observing that. But 8000 means we can say it. It is a perfect cube. Why? Because odd zeros are there. 8 is also 2 cube. So we can write it as The third one is 8,000. 8,000 means it has odd zeros. That is nothing but 0. 8 is nothing but we can write it as 2 cube. So it becomes 20 cube. So it is a perfect cube. So it is perfect cube. Third one is 3,375. 5 means we can check with the 5 only. It's 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 5 are 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5, 5 5 are 25. 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15. So it's not. 5 is in triplet. Therefore 3,375. It is not grouped in triplet. Why? Because 5 is in the cube but 23 is not in cube. So it's not. So it is not. Next 8,000 is over. Next 15,625. 625 means 5 cube. Is the fourth problem. Make with 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 5 6 are 30. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are. We know it. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 5 5s are. So this is in it is equal to 5 into 5 whole cube. It make into triplet, that is 25 cube. 15,625 is in triplet. Therefore it is. Why? Because 125 is the triplet. 9,000. It's not. Fifth one. 9,000. It's not. It is in 0. It is in 0. But 9 is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect cube. Why? Because it can be written as 9 into 1000. That is 3 square into 10 cube. So not in triplet. Sixth one. 6,859. So make into prime factorization. 3 2s are 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are no 7. For 3 and 7 only the ones digits will come. 9 means 9 will come. 9 7s are 63. So 5. 9 6 are 54. It's 1. It is not. 6,859. We can start with 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17. These tables, it's not divisible. Only 19. 19, 6,859. 19 3s are 3 9s are 27. 57 means 11 is 115. Next 6 ja 9 6 are 54. 5 6 1 are 6. 114. So 1 is the remainder. So 6 here 1. Next 19 ones are 19. 19 means here we getting 15. 151. 19 sevens are 7 threes are 7 nines, 19 nines, 19 nines, how much? 19 twos, 38, 19 ones, 19. 19 means it's 7 will come. 17 will come. 171. 171 means 19 nines. Why? Because 7 nines. 19 nines, 81. 8 is the remainder, 171. Okay. Here it is equal to 19 cube. It is a perfect cube. Seventh, 2025. That is 2025. 2025 means 2025 is divided with 5. 5 fours are, zeros are, 5 fives are. 5 eights are, 5 ones are. 9 nines are. So it's not in perfect square. 5 square into 9 square. So it is not a perfect cube. 2025 is not a perfect cube. 10,648, eighth one. Do prime factorization. 10,648. 2 fives are, 2 threes are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are. 2 twos are, 2 sixes are, 2 sixes are, 2 twos are. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are. 1331 is it is equal to 11 cube. And this is in triplet 2. It is equal to 2 cube into 11 cube. That is equal to 2 into 11 whole cube equal to 22 cube. So it is a perfect cube. Got it? Do like that. For perfect cube and for perfect squares, we can do the prime factorization only. Got it?